Okay lang makuha na kita ng picture. Kahit yan lang.
naman ang puso na dahan-dahan ako nahuhulog sa'yo sa kada araw natin.
Ang ganda kasi ng ano mo dyan eh. Ang ganda ng posing mo dyan.
Pagod kasi ako yun sa
Okay lang. Ang ganda kasi ng outfit mo dyan, ma'am.
Ay, thank you.
In your face, girl, I mean it. I can't basically keep it down. Haven't felt so different till I look in your eyes. See my future. Baby, loving you say she got her own thing. That's why I love her. Miss independent. Won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing.
Uyo, ayun sa'yo yun?
Okay naman. Nakakahiya ko yan. Parang gusto ka pa.
Kayo na saan kayo?
Kalooban mo. At di ba, dumadayo na lang namin.